Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by placing the Chromecast Ultra within reach and making sure the TV input and Wi-Fi network are stable. This prevents interruptions. Once ready, leave the device powered. Do not yank cables. Reach under the puck to find the small reset button near the HDMI cable. Press and hold it. You'll feel slight resistance. You're initiating the factory reset sequence. This erases settings, so make sure you have any account info noted before continuing. Hold the reset button firmly and count, typically around 25 seconds, because the device needs a continuous signal to enter factory reset. You'll see the LED start to blink and then change color or pattern. That visual cue confirms the bootloader received the command. Keep pressure steady. Releasing early aborts the process. If the LED stays solid, continue holding. Once the LED shows the final reset pattern, you're ready to release and allow the Chromecast to reboot. After releasing the button, let the Chromecast reboot fully. This can take 2 to 3 minutes while it restores factory software. Once done, the TV should display the setup screen. Follow the Google Home prompts to reconnect to Wi-Fi. If nothing appears, make sure the HDMI input is correct and the power adapter delivers stable 5V. Weak power can block setup. If problems persist, repeat the reset once more and consider swapping the power.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.